Leo is looking at a bunches of grapes at the market. He starts to notice a pattern in the number of grapes in each bunch. The diagram shows the number of grapes in each bunch. So this is the bunch number. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the number of grapes. 6, 14, 24, 36. What's the difference between these two? This is the first common difference. Second common difference. So these are adding. And this one is multiplying. So, class, how do I go from 6 to 14? Here? And here? So, class, is this the same number here? So, no, it's not linear. Okay, how do I go from 8 to 10? 2. And here? 2. So, is this the same number? So, it is quadratic. Okay. To get our quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, okay, to find the a value, you're going to have to use a formula. A equals CD divided by 2. Class, what does the CD stand for? It's the common difference. So A equals 2 divided by 2, which is 1. So you might want to put that one on your formula sheet. To find this A value right here, you're going to have to take the common difference and divide it by 2. Okay, how do you find the C value? Your C value is your y-intercept. So you have to work your way up on the table of values. Okay, so if I have 0 bunch of grapes, the question is, how many grapes do you have? So you would have to add 6. 12, 10, 8, 6. So this number plus 6 equals 6. So this number would have to be 0. So the A value, use the formula. This C value, use your table. And in this problem, you do have a B value. Okay, so this is the hard part. How do I find the B value? Let's do our work over here. You write standard form. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And I'm not going to zoom in because I need all of this work. You're going to put in your A value, which we already have, which is 1. Your C value, which is 0, which you really don't need, okay? And the x and the y, point to an x and a y on our work here. X and the y's represent a table of values. Okay? This is called table of values, and there are order pairs. And Tina picked 1 and 6, which was a great choice. Which means every y value we're going to put in 6. Let's highlight that. So every y value we're going to put in 6, and every x value we're going to put in 1. So I have 6 equals 1 times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus 0. So A value, C value, and then the X and the Y. You can pick any coordinate. I would pick the smallest number possible. I tried 0 and it didn't work. Okay, so all you have to do here is just solve for B. Class, what's 1 squared?
1.
And 1 times 1 is?
1.
Thank you. One squared is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. B times 1 is just B. And you have the 0. And then how do you solve for B here? Subtract 1. And our B value is equal to 5. So my answer is going to be, do we have to write the 1 there? No. So you have x squared plus 5x, and do you have to write the 0? No. So our answer is x squared plus 5x. So to review, find your A value by finding your common difference. Find your C value by using the table. Find your B value by plug and chug. And then you'll get your answer.